Tabi again. Manansala. Atake. Agaw ng Batangas.
Got stripped, I believe, by Apinan.
Just putting their body in between the rim and the player. Olayon fires, blocked by Cañete. And a foul. Homeboy loses the handle to Sed Manzano. Manansala. Bigay kay Hierro. Attacks the closeout. Hierro. And so, the ball with Tabi. Kick out. Pagaran. No. Rebound. Hierro. Yes! Dario. Hierro inside. Manzano will score.
Little flex action right here.
Look at the seal. Oy. I was anticipating the seal, but the pass was a little off. Manzano slips. It will remain with Quezon. Tabi, baba sa ilalim. Manzano turns around and puts it in. Nermal loses the handle. No call. Fuentes on the move. Jodel will lay it in. Abdul again. Nermal is blocked by Jodel Fuentes. Yambing pulls up. No good. Nahanap si Ochea sa ilalim. That is the first field goal in the fourth. Ino against Manzano. Homeboy with 3 seconds to work with. Natapik. Pagaran with a steal. Nermal with the counter steal. And the foul. Fuentes pops out. Fuentes short. And that will do it. Batangas City weathers a late storm here.